Hello everybody, this is Eric from Chastity shop, and in this video I will show you what you can expect when you order a handmade key of our shop. A tin of stroopwafels, delicious Dutch cookies, and a sealed spare factory key, and I will show you how we create that one. This is the Secret Locktober with a 0.03 carat diamond. This one is for a customer, and this one is with a cylinder lock of the brand Burgwachter. We only use the brand Burgwachter for our cylinder locks because that's the best brand you can get for these kind of locks. So we send you the key with the cylinder lock. This one is the Secret Locktober, and you can choose different colors of a heart-shaped stone. Okay, so that's what you can expect, and the sealed spare factory key. When you've got an emergency situation and your key holder isn't nearby, you can break the seal and use the spare factory key. That's the idea of this sealing. And I've made a stamp by myself, a BDSM symbol, as a stamp for the sealing. So with every order comes this kind of spare factory key. In a membrane box, so you can see the spare factory key, but you can't touch it. That's the whole idea. And the wax, the membrane box comes with a standard, so you can place it everywhere in the living room or bedroom or wherever. So this is the sealing of the spare factory key, and you can place it in the standard like this. And I always make 2 stamps on the membrane box to be 100% sure you can't open it. There we go. So this is what you get when you order your handmade key on our shop. The wax sealed spare factory key as an in case of emergency key. Of course, your handmade key with matching padlock or cylinder lock. And for this customer, it's the Secret Locktober with a red heart and brilliant cut diamond. And with every order, the famous delicious Dutch stroopwafel cookies. Very addictive stroopwafel cookies. Thank you for watching. Manufacturing time at this moment is about 3 weeks. We always try to send your handmade jewelry within 3 weeks.